world of pro-level trading at Fishin' for Pips.
Hello everyone, it's Fishing for Pips. Welcome to my channel. You all know my channel is about information, education, knowledge, understanding, and wisdom, motivation and inspiration about trading. You all know I've been trading for the past 8 years, successfully trading using professional trader approach, and I'm here to share some good nuggets with you guys. So make sure and subscribe so you do not miss all the good nuggets and contents I will be putting out surrounding trading. So let's get into it. So trading is a business, right? Trading is a business. Now, if you do not have these 4 plans, that means you're not running a trading business. You're just a participant, guessing and gambling, and you're just clicking buy and sell all over financial markets with no type of real function and framework that will allow you to succeed long term for the rest of your life in trading. So these are my 4 trading plans. Now this is a summarized type of plan. We like simplicity. We like to keep things simple and nice. So in my trading business, I summarize my function to be in these 4 steps. So the first one is my trading plan. Second is my PIP percentage plan. If I'm dealing with Forex, if I'm dealing with stocks, it's going to be a little different, but we're keeping it basic. I was surrounding Forex here. The third one is my money management plan, and the fourth is my trading journal plan. Now, understand something about this. It might look nice and simple, summarized, but each one of them are more detailed as I go into them. So let me explain. My trading plan has to do with my TDA. It's where I go to the 12-month time frame and I break the charts down to understand what phase of the market I'm in, what environment I'm operating in. Are we bullish? Are we bearish? Are we neutral? What phase I'm in on the level, on the cycle, on the count. Nice. So I will know how to make an informed and educated decision on where I want to trade, either bullish or bearish, so I can build my portfolio long short with either buys or sells according to what my trading plan is telling me. And then I can be patient and wait for the market to set up right and then put my trades on. So that's my trading plan. So it's just labeled here as just trading plan. But there's a number of steps that I do inside that trading plan to arrive to some type of perspective in markets and what I can look for. My best investments will come out of that trading plan. My PIP percentage plan. This is where if I'm trading shorter term, like the mini cycles, 1 hour, 4 hour cycles, I will have a forward-looking implied volatility that I'm looking for price to move. So we use the quarterly levels, and we will be trading 1,000 pip increment move, or 500, or 250, or 750. Nice. So we need to have a plan to know when to call it a day, know when to call it a week, or know when to call it a month. We need to have implied forward-looking estimate of where price can move from one price level to the next, of where we want to trade out of our positions. Nice. So very important. PIP percentage plan. We must have that in our trading business. We cannot just hold on to trades forever. We cannot just jump in the market and shoot in the wind and expect, our trades to go well, our business to go well. We must have a target, and with the information and education that we trade with, and our approach and processes and framework, it allows us to do this effectively. Now, money management plan. Money management plan is your total capital. Then we take a percentage out of that total capital. Nice. So we got 3 things inside here. Money management, we got trade management, and we have risk management. So when we break this down, money management, risk management is inside of money management, because we have to take out a percentage of our total capital first. Then we need to find all our trade ideas. Then we need to understand what risk per trade and what is the risk for our entire portfolio. And then when we get these trades on, we now have to manage these trades. And that's where trade management comes in. So money management, risk management, and then trade management. So this is where we modify our trades, stop loss and profit, break even the trade, make the portfolio risk-free. This is what we're doing in money management. And when it comes to trading journal plan, We need to have statistical significance. We need a track record. We need to be able to look back at our past thought process, our past actions, what make us take this trade, what pair we were trading, where we were targeting, all these different things. We need to have this track record. It cannot depend on your MD4 or MD5 history. It tells you nothing but where you buy, where you sell, the price you buy at, the price you sell at. That's all it tells you. When you have your journal, you're detailing your actions. You can learn from your decision making, learn from your discernment, learn from your intuition, learn from it, and then going forward in the future, make better, wiser, smarter decisions that can lead to more successful trades. And this is our plan. If you do not have this as a trader, you're not a trader. You're just participating in financial markets. You're just clicking buy and sell. You're just there dabbling around. You need to have a function. You need to have a framework. You need to have a process. Yeah, guys? So, that's it for today. If you guys get some value from this video, please like, comment, and share. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you get some value from this, share it with someone. Drop some comments if you want to see more videos like this. God bless you. See you guys.
Stay sharp. Subscribe to Fishin' 4 Pips for institutional insight.